This Christmas, we're raising £10,000 to give 5 schools who need us the most in isolated rural areas of Gateshead and Northumberland access to our museum loan service, Boxes of Delight. We will also give an opportunity to experience our magnificent Lindisfarne Gospels exhibition next year at the Laing Art Gallery and a workshop at one of our museums or galleries with our expert learning staff. The opportunity to handle actual and replica objects from the past is a unique experience that can empower and inspire all ages. Using objects in a learning environment can help learners to personally connect with a new topic and deepen their knowledge. The boxes gifted to the schools will be Anglo-Saxon themed to tie in with the Lindisfarne Gospels, an important part of North East history. The children will have an amazing opportunity to find out how the Anglo-Saxons lived in Britain with the fascinating collections of replica artefacts based on archaeological finds. Children who live in these rurally isolated areas do not have easy access to museums and galleries. This lack of access to culture really impacts their education and can mean they do not achieve the same as those with easy access to cultural venues. Our Boxes of Delight Christmas campaign will enable teachers to take the museum into the classroom and provide a different type of learning experience, particularly for those who may not always shine in a classroom environment. Together, we can make a difference. Anything you donate between 12 p.m. on the 30th of November and noon on the 7th of December will be doubled by match funding, so your donation will have twice the impact for these children. Please visit our website for more details on how to donate. Thank you.